everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain how you can track your own PR application status. One main thing you need to consider in this link is that you need to choose a principal applicant or sponsor. The UCI or the unique client identifier, the number is going to be based on your last application. Always on the top, either on the left or the right, it's going to mention what is your UCI number. Type it in, whichever is your number. I'm going to type in as one of our clients. This is UCI number. For the application number, it's again right next to the UCI number itself. For the last document which you have received from the IRCC, you can find your application number along with that. Do make sure that you input the right application number, because your information, everything is going to be associated with this number itself. And once done, we can go down to the next details, which is the given name. Add in your name, your first name, your last name. Always mention it as per how it is mentioned in your passport. Date of birth, again follow the same format as requested. Country of birth, look into your passport, whichever it says country of birth, always mention the same. If you have done your application by yourself, you can input your email address. If you're currently doing it with another representative or anyone, make sure you put in the representative's email. They will receive the verification code. Now that I've received the verification code, I've inputted it. For the password, as requested, like make it a password which is strong. Make sure you don't forget it. Input the same as in the password that you input at top, like how you've done it. The same way, just put it on the bottom. I'm just taking extra precautionary measures so that I'm able to send it to the client as well. We're gonna do a press submit. Is that you have successfully created your new account. When we go to sign in, again it's gonna ask the same information. There you go. It gives all the details, everything that is needed. In the same way, you can go to the view application history. It'll show you the dates when your biometric was completed, medical exam. It gives you a whole timeline of your current application. I hope this video has helped you out. If you have any more questions, you can put it down in the comments, or definitely contact your case manager or your application team and they will be able to help you out. Take care. Bye for now.